It's not a very long fight. It's like, what, 11 minutes? Let's just keep the focus and get this done.
Remember good pots.
I've been using the good pots the whole time. Right? Stay here.
Why did I do that?
Magnets. Focus.
Let's stay here, Lychee.
Markers. Look at your debuff. Left or right? Left. Left people in first. Go. Wait for theirs to explode. Left again. Next two. Watch the left. Wait. Go. Wait. Go. Take DPS. Cool. Flamethrowers with puddles. In. Right. It's the labit, go through. It's the labit, go through. Tank stuff.
Protecting.
Add low and I'm in for heals. Bale is out. You ready to vote off with me? This. Go, the tether. In. Evoke soon. Evoking out. This. Go to tethers. Rest of the party under. Tight. Just started labid. Get ready to sprint if we need to. Left, left. If it's another starboard, then go through. Go through. It's gonna do update, and then it's gonna do flamethrowers, and it's gonna be the shit flame. No, no, it's not. This is not the shit flamethrower. It's just the dot one. It's just the dot one. Stay close. Just do this flamethrowers as normal. And then get back in. Left, right. Left. And then don't wait for it. As soon as it goes up, go through. Through. Good. This is going to be stack on Venom when the cast starts. And yes, pots if you still haven't used it. Okay, after the thing, this is ranged and healers. Get your positions now. Nearly then tanks in. Corner. Kill me, please. Coming into the middle. Stack on number one. This is the fist. Make sure everyone's stacked tight. Wait for that cast bar.
It's an X code.
Move. Tank Buster coming out. I'm one cooldown short than usual.
Okay.
I have the better cooldown.
Crit out low anyway. Oh, it's gone. Oh, you're fine anyway.
Hey, you get this reprisal. Stack under for star.
AIDS float thrower.
Age thrower, yes. Flame thrower coming out. Wait for the heal, wait for the heal. Cool. And drop it and then come in. Right, and then go through straight away. Careful with the puddle. Other side.
Hey.
Party on the
can't
butt,
raise.
party on the butt, party on the butt.
Do you have mana? Fiona?
I'll heal Tiger. I'll heal you as well.
2, 3, 4, backwards. Sprint to catch up. Minimum distance. Get on the ass when AoE comes out.
Get on the butt.
Oh my
Healers
god.
and Alakana. Healers
Rotating
and
cooldowns.
Alakana. Healers and Alakana. Melees and Mimi disengage. Then swap.
I really need mana.
Corner.
Just corner.
Corner. Okay, there's a
Make
little
sure
bit
you
of reprieve here.
Starlight.
Starboard larboard
Right.
coming up. Starboard larboard coming up.
Pots.
Minimum distance to Starlight.
Right, go to the right, and then go through straight away. Through. Wait here. Stay here, stay here, stay
Left.
here. And then go through.
Go through.
Now. I'm bringing the boss in the Charybdis. Focus on the tanks. Party stack on butt. Bail is out. I have no cooldowns here.
Pots.
Fucking off forever.
Big heal. Big heal. Wait. Heal away. Limit break. Reprisaling, you get the next one.
Yep. I'll also have a shake. Shakes up. My thing's gonna run out in 4 seconds. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
You got plenty of time. 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 Don't worry.
Jesus!
Good job. Finally.
Are you guys taking note of the clock?
Yes, we had like a minute left, didn't we, or something?
48 seconds.